Hey guys, I'm Annette. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be quick and easy. How to turn your kitchen cabinet into a mini bar cart. Fun and easy and reversible. Come on, let's go. I bought this paper a few months ago. I went ahead and sprayed it with this just to protect it because I knew I had intentions of lining the drawers with it. What spurred this makeover is these cute glasses I found at the thrift store. They've got the Greek key on them, and they were 35 cents a piece. For fun, I'm adding these puck lights. I don't know if you can tell. I got them from Amazon. They have a little remote. And guys, I use command strips for everything. I've dry fit the paper, and then I'm going to use these glue dots here. I've got 2 sheets of paper in. These, that way it's temporary, everything. Most of the stuff I do is temporary because that way, when I want to change it, it's no big deal. I even stuck some artwork back there. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.
I can't.